Hi everybody, this is Crystal. Hey, so today I'm going to make a short video, just about 10 minutes or so, and I'm going to show all my fellow subscribers, all old ones and all the new ones, how to navigate through my channel, because that's one of the most questions I get asked a lot is about they can't find my tutorials, they don't know I do crochet tutorials, or they want to know how to find my yarn shopping trips or certain yarn reviews. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over to my computer and I'm going to show you how to make sure you're subscribed, how to make sure you're getting all the notifications so you're not missing out on any of the videos that I put on. And I'm going to show you all my playlists and how they're categorized, how you can find whether it be yarn shopping videos that you like, yarn hauls that you like, certain types of tutorials that you like. Maybe you like only bags, maybe you just want baby dresses, maybe you want to find tutorials in a certain weight of yarn. I got that all covered, and I'm going to show you how right now. Okay, let me close some of this stuff out and I'll show you how to navigate through. Get this off of here. Okay, so what you want to do is, this is the main YouTube page. You can type in Bagoday and I should pop up. There I am, Bagoday Crochet. And that will bring you to my YouTube channel right here. Now, if you're not subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that'll subscribe you. Now, if you see this bell right here, if you click it once, it's going to show you that you can personalize all your videos. Now, you can hit personalize and that's going to show you my most popular videos. YouTube will notify you of when my most popular videos are on, and those are yarn unboxings or yarn shopping trips. They're not tutorials. Now, if you hit all where the bell rings, that will notify you, or it should, of every single video I put on, every tutorial, every yarn haul, every unboxing, every live stream, any video that I do. As long as that bell is ringing, you should get a notification for it. If you do not want notifications at all from me, you can hit none. You'll still be subscribed, but you will never get notified anytime I put a video on. I always encourage people to hit all, and then if I have people that are partial to tutorials, so you can get notified when I put a tutorial on. I try to do 10 or 12 a month, and any of the other videos that you do not like yarn hauls, you just, don't watch them. And then I have most people, I would say, are partial to my yarn talk. Like, they like the live streams, they like the yarn hauls, and they like the yarn unboxings. So you'll get notified of them, and every time you see a tutorial, and if you don't like that, you can just not watch it. But this way, you'll always get notified of every one of my videos. Now, to navigate through my page, you click on Bagoday Crochet, and this is my home page right here. So what you do is, if you want to find all my videos, I have them in playlist. So first we'll start off, you click videos. This is going to show you my videos, all of them, from newest to oldest, or you can come over here and sort them by oldest to newest, or most popular to least most popular. Now, if you come over here to my playlist, which I change all the time, and I add new playlists to help people out the best that I can. You click on playlist, and I have all my videos in playlist. So right here is all of my videos that are on my YouTube channel. I have 900 of them. That's including yarn shopping videos, tutorials, yarn hauls, live streams. Every video that I have on my channel is right here, starting from newest to oldest. Now, I have all my yarn unboxings in a playlist. There's 62 of them, you can see. All my yarn shopping trips in a playlist. Now these are all tutorials right here. I have like 700 tutorials right now. Hundreds of tutorials at the making of this video of 2/22 of 2020. Now, I'll continue to make tutorials, like I said, like 10 to 12 a month. But I have them all categorized in playlists. So women's clothing, 59. I got 68 crochet hats. Then I have them categorized by the yarn size. So I got bulky weight yarn tutorials, 4-weight yarn tutorials, crochet for men, scarves and cowls, 81 tutorials, household items such as dish towels, wash rags, stuff like that, 37. I'm still working on my playlist, so there'll always be new videos added to them. 73 baby and toddler clothing, outfits, dresses, just stuff like that. Shawls and capes, 50 of them. 26 different ponchos, 151 bag tutorials. I mean, pretty much everything. Granny squares, 44 tutorials. So like I said, I have hundreds of crochet tutorials, and the playlists are very helpful for those who are interested in my crochet tutorials, because a lot of people are new to my channel and they just don't know that I have crochet tutorials, because I get asked all the time either why I don't put tutorials on or if I have tutorials. Like I said, I have hundreds of them, all nice and neat in playlists, as you can see, hundreds of them. And I did say I put on about 10 or 12 a month. And the reason being that you might not be getting notified of the crochet tutorials would be because of this bell right here. If you have it where it says personalized, it's not going to notify you of my crochet tutorials because they're not quite as popular as my yarn haul videos or my yarn unboxings. A lot of people prefer those over the tutorials. But as long as you have the bell where it looks like it's ringing like this, and you're subscribed, you should get notified of all my tutorials and all my other videos. Now, if you don't like my other videos, just don't watch them. Just wait for my next tutorial. But that's it. That's how you navigate my channel. It's pretty easy. Right here is the community tab. I'll put posts here every once in a while of my new tutorials and talk about them a bit. There's my husband in that fancy vest tutorial I just did a few days ago. And just tells you a little bit about my channel. So pretty much that's it. That's how you navigate. I just wanted to do this for anybody that was new or anybody that didn't maybe understand or understand how to navigate my channel. Couldn't find the tutorials. Also, one thing I want to mention is all my tutorials are numbered 1 through whatever. Let me click on one of them here. I'll go to this one. Now you can see it says crochet tutorial 674. So if you're on my Facebook page and you're a member of my Facebook page, say you want, someone types in, this is from tutorial 674. You would just go and type in Bagoday like this, 674, and it will bring it right up, right here. Say another number, Bagoday, I don't know what this is going to be. Let's try 336. Let's see what that is. And that's going to bring it up. It's my cat hat right there. And it's also going to bring up some more of my videos, some of my more popular videos, or videos that I've watched because I'm logged into myself here. Stuff like that. So that's how you do it. It's really simple to navigate. Now remember, I have lots of new people, and I also have that wanted to know about the tutorials. So remember, I have hundreds of them, and if you just look through the playlists, that's the easiest way to find what you're looking for, or you can look through all my videos and it'll show them that way too. I have lots of people who don't want to crochet tutorials, or they knit, they don't crochet, or they loom, they don't crochet. They're just more interested in watching, they like to watch my yarn unboxings like right here, or my yarn shopping trips. I got playlists for those too. The important thing to remember is to be subscribed. So make sure this says subscribed and you click all, just like that. And don't forget to always give every video a like and a share if you can.
Hi everybody, this is Crystal.
Oh my goodness, sorry about that. Give every video a like right here. And then give it a share, or if you can, right there. If you have Facebook, you can share it on Facebook. You can share it on Pinterest, anything like that. If you can, you could copy the link and share it on wherever you want. But that is if you want to. You don't have to. But I always appreciate any shares that you can give me. But that's it. I just wanted to help everybody that was new, or for people that didn't understand how to find videos by number or how to find crochet tutorials at all, because people just didn't know I was doing them. But I am. I also have lots of yarn content for those who like it. So that's it. Thanks everybody for watching. Remember, subscribe, and make that bell ring so you don't miss out on anything. Bye-bye, everybody.